Hello students, today in this video I will give you an assignment related to your first experiment based on Ohm's law. I will show you the different readings in voltmeter and ammeter by changing the position of slider. You will note down those readings in the observation table in the columns reading of voltmeter and reading of ammeter, and then in the last column you will calculate the value of R using the formula R is equal to V upon I. After completing the observation table by the observations, you will find out the mean value of resistance. Then, as the aim is to find out the resistance per unit length, therefore the length of the wire you will take 100 centimeter and you will calculate resistance upon length. After completing this portion, you will draw a graph between potential difference and current with the help of the observations which you have noted in the observation table, and you will check whether you are getting a straight line graph or not. After this, you will find out the slope of this V versus I graph to calculate the value of resistance, and you will check whether the value obtained from the graph for resistance matches with the value of resistance which you have obtained by using the formula R is equal to V upon I. Now students, you can see here we have set the apparatus of Ohm's law on this table and we have connected according to the circuit diagram. We shall switch on the current by inserting the plug. See the reading of voltmeter and ammeters. Note down its value. Again I am showing. Note down the reading of voltmeter and ammeter. Now we shall stop the current by taking out this plug. With the help of rheostat for second reading, we shall change the position of slider. Insert the plug here to start the current, and with the help of slider, change the voltage and current. Now again you see the reading of voltmeter, second observation, and ammeter. I hope you might have noted. Again take out this plug to stop the current, because if continuously we shall allow the current to flow through the wire will become hot and the physical condition of the conductor will not remain same. Then third observation. For third observation, insert the plug here to start the current in the circuit. With the help of rheostat, we shall change the reading of voltmeter and ammeter. Note down this reading. 3 पे करो. This reading you note down of voltmeter in third observation, and reading of ammeter also you note down for your third observation. Again we shall stop the current by taking out this plug. For a moment you will take out, then again you insert this plug to start the current, and we shall change the position of slider. See the reading of voltmeter and ammeter. And then take out the key. Again insert this to start, and with the help of slider you will change the reading of voltmeter. Take this next reading. Of voltmeter and ammeter. This observation you see, voltmeter and ammeter. So with the help of these observations, you will complete the observation table, you will calculate the value of R, and you will plot the graph. This is an assignment for you. All of you will complete your practical. How you have to write the experiment, related to that also I will send the PDF, but observation table and graph you will complete with the help of this table.